guys, it's Patty with a Little Red Southern Kitchen, and today is very hot. I don't know if we hit it or not, but we're supposed to get over 100 degrees today and tomorrow. I don't know if we made it or not, but oh God, it's so hot out there. Anyway, today we're making creamy garlic parm mashed potatoes. You're going to need potatoes, of course. These are Yukon Golds. Minced garlic. Unfortunately, I don't have a garlic clove, but it would be one minced garlic clove. One garlic clove minced. Some butter, some half and half. Grated parm. This is grated parm and Romano, but it would be better if you had fresh shredded, but we don't have that. And salt and pepper. I also want to show y'all something. This is my magnolia flower. We were sitting outside and I told Tony, I said, I want that flower right there because they die so fast here. You know, if you don't, I've got a picture down here. So magnolias are very abundant down here, and the scent is just awesome. But he got me this little guy down, and I put some water in this bowl, and he looked sad. Oh my God, he looked bad. So we went around, finished doing stuff for a day, and we came back in here, and it had puffed up so prettily. I mean, it was just laying. Looked like it was laying in the water totally, but I'm so proud of this. Alright, well anyway, we're going to get off here and peel and quarter these taters and get them on the boil, and we'll bring you back. Alright guys, I'm going to show you. I've got my potatoes on the boil. They've been quartered. Hey, I don't know if y'all remember, if you've been following me since the beginning, I made a potato salad using canned potatoes because I hate peeling potatoes. Well, we discovered that Tony doesn't mind it. So he peels the potatoes for me, and I cut them up, and we have a lot of potato dishes now. Alright, get that going. What you're looking for is whenever they're done, they're going to be pork tender. Okay, over here. This is going to be the mixture, the creamy garlic mixture that you add. I'm going to just start with a cup. I think that's probably more than enough. And I've got 2 tablespoons of butter already in there. And you want the equivalent of 2 minced garlic cloves. So I'm eyeballing it, but I'm probably going over excess because I like garlic. Okay, we got some salt. That's to taste as well. And some pepper. Now all you're wanting to do is just bring this to a heat. You don't need to bring it to a boil. Once it's melted, the butter's melted and it's heated through, you're going to just cover it and set it on the burner back here. Alright, we'll be back whenever the butter's melted and it's warm. Hey, I actually almost forgot about this, and it did come to a boil, but I'm going to pull it off the heat till my potatoes are done, and we'll be back. The potatoes are pork tender. We're going to drain these, and we'll meet you over at the counter to finish everything off. We're drained, and I'm going to start mashing just a little bit to get them started. I'm going to start with about half a cup of parm. I wish we had fresh, but this will work. And our mixture, our heated mixture, because you know you don't want to put cold stuff in the warm mashed potatoes, warm potatoes. You know, I'm going to tell y'all something. Tony usually does this, so, because of my neuropathy and arthritis, so, give me a minute, we'll be right back. We're going to switch places. Okay, he chose not to be filmed, but he mushed it up for me a little bit. And I did end up using the entire mixture Now I'm going to taste it for my salt and pepper. That is perfect. Alright, I'm going to be back whenever we got everything plated. Be right back. Okay, alright. Everything's done. I got my menu here. We're having shake and bake pork chops, our creamy garlic parm mashed potatoes, and some peas and carrots. Let's start plating this up. The race is on. I just realized that the NASCAR races on started at 6, but they're probably just now really getting started. So and these potatoes are good enough, you don't need a gravy or nothing on them. Peas and carrots. Reminds me of Jenny and what's his name? Forrest Gump. Good Lord, I'm losing my memory sometime. All right, guys, supper is ready. Y'all have a great day.